Look at Jerome dancing. Wow! What's up, everyone? It's me, your Sulichi, John Valencia, and welcome back to Chulation Diaries. A mega love shout out mga ka-Jeromantics. We're back for another Jerome Eberdomi reaction para sa kanyang special guest performance si Sir RJ sa kanyang Echoes of Elvis concert. Yes, they had a duet performance. Kaya naman excited tayo for this one, guys. But before proceed, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Asia Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, and go. Here it is, guys. Shout out to Gay Henson for uploading this.
Sir RJ.
Ito na, si Sir RJ ng RJ Bistro. Sobrang supportive nila talaga kay Jerome. So, basa ko yung mga comment nyo. Talagang sinuportahan siya ng bongga. So, thank you so much, Sir RJ, as well. Ito yung naka-leatherette na si Jerome. Ayan pala si Sir RJ. Hey! Kakantahin nila.
Nag-reincarnate si Elvis eh.
Aha, di ba? Bilib na bilib din talaga ni Sir RJ.
Thank you very much. So, are you ready, Sir RJ? Okay.
At, ready na.
Are you ready, man? Alright.
Pati pagsasalita, Elvis.
One for March.
Oh! Hey! Oh my God! One of the iconic music of Elvis, blue suede shoes. Oh my God, with Sir RJ. Hey! Look at that groove. Wow! Gusto ko yung mga giling ng balakang ni Jerome and the vocal of Sir RJ. Grabe Wow! Hey! Look at Jerome dancing! Oh my gosh! Diba? Isa sa pinaka-grooviest song ni Elvis na talagang napasayaw ang lahat. Blue suede shoes. Hey! In fairness kay Sir RJ, galing din pala mag-gitara. Diba, guys? Grabe, masyado nyo naman sino-zoom. Gay hands, masyadong zoom in. Charet. Hey! Grabe, ang galing ng electric guitar. Oh my God, grabe yung vocals. Wow, nakakatuwa naman. It's such a good vibe, no, to Elvis on the stage. Wow! Meron pa. Oh, Hound Dog! Grabe, the young vocal of Elvis, kuwang-kuha na Jerome. Hey! Hindi Hindi rin talaga magpapahuli ang Sir RJ. Sumasabay siya kay Jerome. Bongga! Ang dami pala nilang song. Putol-putol siya, guys. Sorry, this is from Gay Henson. So maybe this is some of the clips ng mga kombinasyon ng kanilang duet. Naging blue suede shoes ulit. Ay, hindi, hound dog na ata to. Grabe, nakita niyo yung sayaw ni Jerome sa ano niya, yung hips and knees dance move. Hey! Parang ginamit niya rin yung original vocal niya dito. Diba? Hey! Wow! Pero pa... ito solo na ni Jerome. Okay. Grabe, ang supportive naman ng Sir RJ. Love niya ang Jerome. Grabe. There you have it, guys. That is Jerome Eberdome with a duet with Sir RJ. Grabe. Ang taas ng energy. I love the performance. Like watching two Elvis on stage, diba? And they enjoyed so much sa kanilang performance. Kayo, guys, nag-enjoy ba kayo? Comment down below what you can say about this performance. And of course, thank you so much, Gay Henson, for uploading this video. Kahit na clips lang din yung ibang part, it was so nice to watch it and of course witness this amazing duet of Jerome and Sir RJ. And of course, that's our reaction for today. If you enjoyed this reaction video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is Shoelasia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.